This is a very easy method to make sky lantern fuel. Only need two things to make it. The first thing I want to talk about is wax. You can easily get it from any hardware store. I haven't tried any other fuel. You can try something else if you want. With this method, you will be able to make 20 candles and 250 grams of wax. And the second one is tissue paper. First of all, you need to fold the tissue papers, one by one, to suit the size of your lantern. Folding too big can ignite your lantern. If you fold too small, the lantern will not fly. Let's follow the steps to fold the paper. When the paper is all folded, it should be glued, so that it does not open easily. After everything is done, melt the wax in a container. It is best if you have an induction oven. Set it to 100 degrees Fahrenheit in the induction oven. More than that, the wax can vaporize. After the whole wax is melted, the tissue paper, that is folded, should be soaked in this melted wax. Then, by pressing something hard, the air inside the tissue paper will be forced out. Then place the soaked tissue paper on a metal plate and let it cool. Within 10 to 15 minutes, it will harden to freeze. If the wax is hardened, then make a little hole in it, so that it can be easily tied to the lantern. This is my own handmade sky lantern. You can make the sky lantern at home. There is a link in the description box on how to make sky lanterns. You can watch it by clicking there. Thanks for watching it.